one more video. Scenes, Japan shampoo, take 100, action! C'est le job, dernier shampoo, dernier. Me as the MF who forgot to add the shampoo. So I remember 6 years ago we made this sauce. Hola! I'm the actor who play Odie. Oh no you don't. I'm the actor who play Odie. Get out. Oui, c'est ça. Hey kids, it's Todd from Edward. And I'm the actor of Odie. And I'm Kanye Jr., a 15-year-old boy who played Little Garfield 6 years ago. I'm Kanye West's son, lol. And my dad left me for the milk 5 years ago. In the next video, we're gonna find my dad. That bullshit. No one can do that. I'm going to sleep.